Supreme Court judgment on denying scheduled caste status to Christians, to Muslims and other minorities has caused deep consternation, disquiet and fear amongst the poor in minority communities. The determination of status as scheduled caste or backward classes on conversion has been a sensitive issue impacting large number of poor, underprivileged, as also those seeking to end the societal prejudice. The issue cannot be examined or opined upon on simpliciter interpretation of the constitutional Scheduled Caste Order 1950. Certain fundamental issues need to be addressed and answered by the BJP and Modi government. Number one, the issue of grant of continuing status of scheduled castes on conversion is pending before a 3-judges bench since 21st January 2011. If that is so, then how can a 2-judges bench of the Supreme Court decide the issue without reference to a larger bench? Question number 2. Why did Modi government and the BJP not bring this to the notice of the Supreme Court that the issue of grant of scheduled caste status to convert Christian scheduled castes or Muslim scheduled castes or other minority scheduled caste is pending before a larger bench? Is this not dishonesty on part of Modi government? Why did Modi government not apprise the Supreme Court that specific issues have been framed by the Supreme Court in 2011 to be decided with regard to status of Christian SCs, Muslim SCs and other minority SCs? Why did the Modi government not inform the Supreme Court that in the year 2022, Justice Ranganath Mishra's committee has reported that similar status as to Buddhist or Sikhs or to Hindu SCs should be given to Christian SCs or Muslim SCs? Why did the Modi government and the BJP government not inform the Supreme Court that a new commission under former Chief Justice of India, K.G. Balakrishnan ji, has been constituted and its report is still awaited? Is this not sheer dishonesty and an attack on the right of Christian SCs, Muslim SCs, other minority SCs and backward classes belonging to Christian, Muslims and other communities? Number 3, is it correct to say, as is being said, that the case related to prevention of atrocities on SCs and not reservation for SCs? My friends, can there be SCs of 2 types? One SC for purpose of reservation, one SC for purposes of prevention of atrocities on SC Act. Same principle has to apply. So BJP is being dishonest and unfair to members of the scheduled caste and backward classes who belong to minority communities. Number 4, does the prejudice of BJP government and BJP against these poor and underprivileged arises on account of the stated political stance that minorities in this country should be denied all rights? Number 5, is the prejudice of Modi government guided by the previous conduct of Modi government when the BJP, when Congress was in power in 1996, had opposed grant of reservation benefits to Christian and backward SCs as also to Muslim SCs and backwards in the parliament? And then they had rejected the Ranganath Mishra committee report in the year 2022. Number 6, once Hindus who have converted to Sikhism, Hindus who have converted to Buddhism, they are entitled to benefit of scheduled caste and backward class status. Why deny it to Christians? Why deny it to Muslims? Why deny it to other minorities? Once converts are being given, how can there be two different categories? Number 7. Is the determinant of social and cultural backwardness under Article 15 and 16 of Constitution of India, can it ever be religion, or is it social, cultural and political backwardness? Also, does conversion of a person from one religion to the other take away all symptoms of generational and systematic prejudice and stigma associated with being a member of the scheduled caste community? In effect, in reality, is there no disadvantage to a person who is a scheduled caste? Does that person have no stigma or prejudice left or inequality left just because that poor or disadvantaged scheduled caste converts to Christianity or to Islam or to any other religion? Are these not the tests based on empirical data and constitutionalism that have to be tested by the court before a decision is done? And last but not the least, is this a prelude to denying all reservation benefits to all minorities, be it Christian, be it Muslim, be it any other minority in India, on part of the BJP? The Prime Minister must answer. The BJP must answer. Mr. Vijendra and Mr. R. Ashok must answer these pertinent questions. For without that, how will we remain an equal country for all religions?